Hey, what's up, y'all? So, I'm back with a discussion. Groggy voice. I'm just actually waking up. Well, not actually waking up, but I was up for like an hour. Anyway, I just want to jump on here and discuss something with y'all. I've been meaning to do this video for some days. I just didn't have the time. I'm really tired lately. Um, I want to talk about this thing. I'm sure y'all probably seen this on my 1911. This is not worth getting. I'm going to show you exactly why it's not worth getting. Well, that's a fail. It blew the shit off.
Yeah, I was gonna say that it blew it off. Because it was using a lot of pressure as you were shooting.
Well, apparently that don't work.
Huh?
That don't work. I can't even shoot this like
that. Damn.
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 What the Now, with y'all seeing that, what happened was, this got like a little groove, if it can focus. Anyways, grooves in there. And what happened was, when I was able to get a few shots off. Let's see, it's clear, no mag in it. But I was able to get a few shots off of it, and what happened was, one of the rounds, when it went through, it just blew it completely off, along with my recoil spring and this thing downrange. I had to go get the range officer to stop the firing so he can go get this thing for me. But I was kind of fishy about it when I first got it. Like, okay, when I first got it, I thought it was gonna well, from the description, from the pictures, I thought it was steel. Well, when I picked it up, it's aluminum. This is aluminum. Like, I can almost bend this. So, that was one thing. So I'm like, you know what? It's at the tip of the barrel. So let me just test it out anyway. So, went to the range, fired 2-3 rounds, okay. But when I got to that last round, it just completely, bam, blew it off. It didn't mess up my 1911 or anything, but But anyway, it didn't mess it up or anything, but it kind of had me worried for a minute the way this blew off, because it's like it was loud. Like, I don't know if the camera caught it on there, but it sounded like in person, it sounded like an explosion going off. And this thing flying out of range, like the whole assembly front, this recoil spring, this thing just blew the fuck off. So, will I recommend this? Hell no. I don't know. This might work on any other 1911s, but I know the Taurus PT1911. No. Don't even try to put that on here. It looks nice, but I can't guarantee that, because if it happened to mine, I'm sure it's gonna happen to yours. But if y'all ever open a 1911, they got a stopper in there. Well, this one came with his own one, so for my version, with that stopper that goes right here, it's capped off. So with that being capped off, that spring can't. Let me show y'all. The guider rod needs to go. See, I can't get it, but it needs to go through that to push out. Like, see how that down there, that plate is pushing out through there? This have to push out through that like that. Well, they had a stopper in there, like a where the recoil spring go, and it connects to this, and it was capped off. So with that, I couldn't push it all the way back to even get this thing in there. So I had to use my factory one that came with this on this gun, because it's got a cutout hole for the guide rod to go through it. But the one that came with this had a blocker in there where I couldn't put it in there. So when I put it on, I was probably only be able to get it like right here, because that guider, that blocker was blocking it. So I had to put the original one back in there so I can get it back. So I don't know if this is really compatible with the 1911. I can kind of guarantee you this is not going to work with your Taurus PT1911. I can't say for any other model, but I know for sure this one won't work. It broke it. I can't even use it. I contacted the seller. He understood. He sent me my money back right away. I didn't even have to send this thing back. But yeah, this I wouldn't recommend for Taurus 1911. So let me get on out here. Y'all enjoy y'all day. Y'all be safe out there. And always remember, keep your guns.